Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a charger to your smartwatch. First, locate your smartwatch's specific charging cable and power adapter. Gently clean the small charging contacts on both your watch and the charger using a soft, dry cloth. This helps ensure a reliable connection. Then, find a suitable power source, like a standard USB wall adapter or a computer's USB port, ready to power up your device. Most smartwatches use a magnetic charger, making connection quite simple. Carefully place your smartwatch onto the charging pad or align it directly with the charging pins. You should feel a gentle magnetic pull that helps secure the watch in its correct position. Always ensure nothing is obstructing the connection, like dust or debris, which could hinder the charging process. Once connected, it is important to confirm that your smartwatch is actually charging. Look for a visual indicator on the watch screen, such as a battery icon or a small lightning bolt symbol, which confirms power flow. Some smartwatches also provide an audible tone or a subtle vibration when charging begins. If you do not see an indicator, gently adjust the watch's position or try a different power outlet to ensure proper contact. To maintain optimal battery health, follow a few simple best practices. Try to charge your smartwatch when its battery level drops to around 20%, avoiding complete depletion. Disconnect the charger once your watch reaches 100% capacity, as continuous charging can shorten its overall lifespan. Always charge in a cool, dry place to prevent any potential damage from extreme temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.